How long have you been out here at Wallace?
Almost 4 years. I live with my boyfriend and our dogs. I don't do fentanyl. My boyfriend don't do fentanyl. Fentanyl's not good for anybody. All it does is kill people. Stop doing it, idiots. I don't get it. Hey, say no to fentanyl. It's not good for you.
Yeah, what would you say if you could say anything to just the general public? What would you want to say?
Not everybody uses fentanyl. Yeah, some of us are drug addicts, but we don't, a lot of us don't use fentanyl. But because there's been fentanyl deaths out here and downtown, they think everybody's on it. Not everybody's on it. It all it does is kill people.
Hold on.
And people can still keep using it. It's stupid. If you see, like, it makes no sense to me. I'm about to start crying. I've had the last year was shitty. My mom died. A bunch of friends died. I hate it.